was a cute puppy who was very lovable. He used to play and have fun with everyone around him, and had a lot of fun. One day, everyone went to the river together. Suddenly, a strong storm rose on the river and the boat sank. When he woke up, he saw that everything around him was deserted. He became very scared and started to cry. In the morning, he decided to start a new life, so he began working. First, he built a small house. Then he planted some flower plants and crop plants. In this way, many days passed. Suddenly, one day while he was eating an apple, he saw his friends. He was very happy and is asking you all to subscribe to the channel.